In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WordArt in Microsoft Word to make your text more creative and eye-catching. WordArt is perfect for titles, headings, or any part of your document where you want text to stand out. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want to insert the WordArt. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. In the text group, you'll see the WordArt button. Click on it, and a gallery of pre-designed text styles will appear. Choose the style that fits your design. Once you select a style, a placeholder text will appear. You can type your own text here. From this point, you can customize your WordArt using the Drawing Tools or Shape Format tab that appears whenever your WordArt is selected. You can change the font, size, color, fill, outline, and even apply special effects like shadows, reflections, and 3D rotations. You can also resize and rotate the WordArt by dragging the handles around the text box. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can create stylish, professional-looking WordArt in Microsoft Word that grabs attention and adds personality to your documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks.